Finally, Fred, we got you.
Like you already saw, this movie was created with AI, and yes, it looks like a Hollywood movie. Today, I brought you another AI tool that creates movies just like this one. And the best part is, you can use your own face to do it. If you enjoy making movies like this video is exactly for you. So before we get into it, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe so this video can reach more people who need it. Let's get started. You'll find the link in the description of this video or pinned in the comments. The platform is called TopView AI. Right now, I'm on TopView AI. Once you land on this website, click Film Studio. After clicking on Film Studio, click Create Project. Once you do that, you'll land on the Canvas page. So what do you do next? Click AI Image, then click Photo, then click Upload Photo. This means you're uploading your own photo, because remember, you can use your own face to create your video. Just imagine that. So first, upload your photo. Mine is already uploaded. Now what can I do? I go to my document, and if you want this document, you'll find the link in my description. This document helps you create images exactly like the one I'm about to show you. So I copy the prompt from that document, come back here, and paste it into the AI assistant. Then I click on Model. You'll see different options here. I'm using GPT Image 2. Let me walk you through it properly. For the photo, you can choose 1K, 2K, all the way up to 4K resolution. When you click on Model, you'll see more options like Nano Banana 2, Seadream 5.0 Pro, and several others. I personally use GPT Image 2. This gives the best quality. You can choose medium or high quality, no problem. Another important thing you need to know, the aspect ratio. Make sure you set it to 16:9. This is the best ratio for YouTube videos. After that, when you click Camera, you can set different camera angles. But for now, we first need to create the photo. I'll show you how to use camera angles when we get to the actual cinema video. Now I click on Style. You'll see there are many styles available here. But right now, I'm using one called Bleached Warm. That's the style I always go with. After choosing your style, click Generate. TopView's canvas starts creating your photo based on everything you selected. Just wait a few seconds for it to complete. And there it is, look at that. It has finished generating my photo from every angle. Front, back, side, every part of my body. You can see the cowboy look I created, the hat, the outfit, everything. It shows you every single side of the character. If you want your photo in even higher quality, click Enhance Portrait. You can enhance it up to 2K or even 4K. I'd recommend choosing 2K if you want a solid quality boost. Done. You can see my photo is now enhanced. Feel free to do the same if you'd like. Now let me show you how to create a video using your own face. Click the plus button next to your photo, then choose Video. After selecting Video, here's what you need to know. If you want to create a full story or film, you first need to choose your idea, whatever concept you have in mind. Once you have your idea, I recommend using an AI assistant like Claude, Gemini, or ChatGPT to write out the script for every scene of your video. Personally, I use Claude AI because honestly, Claude AI is the best for this. So I already prepared my scenes in advance. This is the movie I'm calling The Gold in the Desert. And this right here is the Scene 1 prompt. I copy the Scene 1 prompt, come back to my TopView AI canvas, and paste it in. Now let me show you what to do next. Click on Model. You'll see resolution options here. I'm choosing 1080p. You can also select Omni Reference if you'd like, no problem. For duration, I'm using 15 seconds for this video. Next, I select C-Dance as the model. Now click on Camera. Let me show you which camera settings I use. There are several camera options available, but I recommend this one, the Red V-Raptor 8K Digital. This works great for cinematic quality. Next, the lens. Let me show you which lens I use since it works really well. Since my scene is set in the desert, I go with the 70s Cinema Prime. This lens is excellent for this kind of environment. For focal length, you can choose anywhere between 25mm and 45mm. For this video, I'm going with 35mm. Then for aperture, I use f11. Click Apply. After clicking Apply, go back to Style and choose the same style as before, Bleached Warm. There are more styles available if you want to explore, but this is the one I stick with. Then click Generate. Your canvas will start generating the video using your own face. And just imagine that. This means you get a fully consistent character throughout your entire video with no changes in appearance. Let me show you the next scene so you can see how it continues. And look at that. This is amazing. Now click Upscale. You can upscale your video up to 2K or even 4K. I'd recommend 2K. It boosts the quality up to HD level beautifully. I chose 2K for mine. And honestly, this platform is amazing. You get consistent cinematic quality characters with zero hassle. Now here's something important. A lot of people use image to video or text to video generation. But the problem with that is your character tends to change between scenes. But with this platform, and this is the amazing part, you can use video to video instead. That means you take the video you just created and use it to generate the next scene, continuing seamlessly from where the last one left off. So here's how it works. Click on video, click the plus button, then select video again. You'll see I've already uploaded the first scene. Now I go back to Claude AI, copy the scene 2 prompt, come back here, and paste it in. That's really all there is to it. Click Generate, and it starts creating your next scene. Look at that. Scene 2 is done, and it looks incredible. Now let's do scene 3. Same process. I go back to Claude AI, copy the scene 3 prompt, come back to my canvas, and since I'm already on scene 3's video, I click the plus button, select video, and paste in the prompt. This is exactly how video to video works. You continue building directly from where your last scene ended. And there it is. This is what scene 3 looks like. Let's move on to scene 4. Same steps. Back to Claude AI, copy the scene 4 prompt, come back to the canvas, click the plus button, select video, paste the prompt, and click Generate. It starts processing the video. And look at that. This is exactly how I create each scene, one after another. You can create as many scenes as you want for your story. For the final scene, same process. Copy the prompt from Claude, come back, paste it, and click Generate. It starts building the final scene of the story. I used just a few scenes for this demonstration, 5 scenes total, just to show you how the process works. And there's the final scene. You can see how it turned out. Now, here's something even better. A lot of people export their videos and edit them using separate software like CapCut. But this platform already has editing built right in. You don't even need to leave. Click on Timeline. Once you're there, select the videos you want and drag and drop them straight into your timeline. You can see all your scenes lined up right there. This platform genuinely has its own built-in editing software. You can trim, rearrange, and adjust everything with ease. Once you're happy with your final video, click Export. And that's it. That's how you export your finished video. Before I show you the final movie result, make sure you've hit that like button and subscribed. It genuinely helps this video reach more people. And if this video helped you, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. I love you all. See you in the next one.
Finally, Fred, we got you.